Yeah, well here we are again, Em, at the Sweetcorn patch.
It's done well.
It's there, they've filled out nicely, these cobs. These are the incredible F1 variety.
It's early September.
Early September. We've picked one or two of these, and now we're just sort of looking through them, aren't we, to see if we think they're ripe or not.
Because quite often you'll get the tassels that are brown, but sometimes you can find that they're not quite ready when the tassels are brown.
That's what I found with this one, that the silks have gone brown, but they're still not ripe. But this is looking likely, isn't it?
This is looking good, and one of the ways is to peel it apart and then try it with your fingernail. Oh, there you go. So there you go, milky. It's a milky... a milky liquid,
substance, yeah. Look at that, it's all a bit gooey.
Is perfect.
Yeah.
If it's clear, it's like water, then it's not quite ready.
Yeah.
If it's dry, then it's gone too far.
Yeah.
So that's perfect.
So we can probably take that one off.
Just literally snap it
off
down.
Easily. Then you
watch out for earwigs, because you do.
They love earwigs.
You see all this little frass in here. This is earwig, isn't it?
Yeah. Always found earwigs in Sweetcorn. And you can see where it hasn't kind of quite pollinated.
Yeah, but that's still a good full cob, isn't it?
Yeah, not bad, not bad. Take the little stringy bits off. And there you are.
Get your pan of boiling water before you even pick it.
Get ready now.
Put it straight in.
And if you've got lots to harvest, you know, I usually chop them in half and put them in the freezer, and they're still great later in the winter. So there we are. That's our incredible F1, and then. Sure, there are more that are probably ready to go.
Sometimes you get two on a plant, don't you?
Yeah, mostly you've got two, I think, haven't we? There's two there. So, not bad. I did try one of these the other night, and they were sweet, but not overly sweet, because sometimes I find them just too much.
Sweet, yeah.
But, you know, a nice variety.